welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video. There are three major scales in the Ionian system. The major scale is the Ionian scale, the first one. Today I'm gonna show you an Ionian riff and what you have to do to make it Lydian or Mixolydian. On the fourth step we have the Lydian mode, and on the fifth we have the Mixolydian mode. Let's have a look at the notes of the E Ionian scale. This is the sound of the E Ionian mode and scale. Let's compare now Lydian and Mixolydian. The Lydian mode, I really like that one. It has an augmented fourth. In our case, compared to the E Ionian scale, the A, the perfect fourth A, goes to A sharp. And that's all. There lies the Lydian sound. Mixolydian has a minor seventh instead of a major seventh, compared to the E Ionian scale, which has a major seventh D sharp. The D sharp goes to D. Just one changed note and it makes such a difference. I'm now gonna play a riff in E Ionian mode, and then I'm gonna change only those notes necessary to play in Lydian or Mixolydian. Enough for today. I wish you a lot of fun with creating your own riffs. Please like and subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you next week.